We did it! Yay! We hit 1,000 subscribers. I want to thank everyone who helped get us out there. We have a lot more videos coming, and we are excited to finally be able to live stream again. As soon as that gets settled, we'll be able to have live demos and be able to help you guys with any problems or projects. And I'm looking forward to getting a lot more stuff done on video. So I thank you guys very much, and I hope to see you all in the comments section. We're also giving away something for the 1,000 subscribers. We're trying to decide whether or not, or whether everybody wants an animal, a dog or a cat or an elephant, or one of the octopus or forktopus. I even have a kangaroo I could do. There's all kinds of things that we've made. Check out our Instagram, be down in the link, or down in the comment section. And I think that's about it. Let us know what you want, and we will, as soon as we get all of the votes and tallies in, we will give somebody a piece of Flatware Creations. I hope you guys all have a great day, and thank you again for 1,000 subscribers.